Hello folks, today I would like to share with you a sad story for those who didn't read of it yet. A young girl in Ukraine has been gang raped, choked to death and burned afterwards, or set on fire. And actually she survived, but getting heavy injuries, and I think she lost both feet and the right hand or something. So those guys, three young folks, like between 21 and 23 years, tricked her into all this, gang raped her, and then one of them, the oldest one I think, tried to choke her to death, and she lost consciousness, and well, they thought they had choked her to death, but she wasn't dead at that time. So they dumped her at a construction site and put some sheets on her and set her on fire, and she just accidentally got saved by a man passing, or his car broke down or something like that, so he had to stop, and then he heard her. She wasn't even screaming. But anyways, so what do you think should the punishment be for those guys? The day after, all three of them got caught, but as all of them were well, sons of influential people like politicians or former politicians, I'm not quite sure. Two of them got well, were left to freedom again, and only after heavy protests from the public they got caught again. And well, what do you think would the right punishment be? I mean, I've been reading lots of comments on Russian videos. I'm making this video because I have the feeling, especially here in Germany, because I'm German, living in Germany, or Croatian living in Germany, I feel like there isn't much of a public interest, or, well, media interest into this story. I haven't read it in the news a lot or seen any videos, but I've read a lot of comments on Russian videos, and well, the girl herself says they should cut their balls off and throw it in front of dogs. Like, dogs should eat their eggs, their nuts. So we in Europe have a slightly different view on punishing criminals, different to the USA, because of course there are many people outraged, seeking for revenge, seeking for a real punishment for a crime like this. And please post a video response or a comment below. I'm interested what you would suggest for this case. And what do you think? Could this happen anywhere? Is this specific for former Soviet countries, or could this happen in Germany or in Russia or in Ukraine or in the USA? Is there any connection to this? Alright, thanks for watching and looking out for your response. Ciao.